Kamusta po mga kabarangay? I am Daisy Rikirikire and I am one of the leader in our multi-purpose cooperative here in Barangay Bangcolasi, Navotas City. Alam niyo ba, ang tunay na lakas ng isang komunidad ay hindi nasusukat sa yaman ng ilan, kundi sa pagkakaisa ng lahat. For our introduction, Together We Grow. The multi-purpose cooperative in Barangay Bangcolasi, Navotas City was formed to empower hardworking residents by promoting cooperation and shared progress. Name of the cooperative, Together We Grow, expresses the belief that unity and cooperation lead to collective progress. It highlights that through shared effort and mutual support, the people of Barangay Bangcolasi can achieve personal, social, and economic growth. Type and category. The multi-purpose cooperative category aiming to empower residents through shared resources, sustainable livelihoods, and collective progress under the guiding principle, Together We Grow. Our cooperative ay binuo hindi lang para sa negosyo, kundi para sa ating kinabukasan. Layunin natin na matulungan ang bawat miyembro, mga mangingisda, tendera, estudyante at pamilyang Bangcolasinyo na magkaroon ng dagdag na kabuhayan, ipon at pag-asa. Sa pamamagitan ng cooperative, natutunan natin magtulungan, magtiwala at magtagumpay ng sama-sama. Our cooperative identity. The cooperative's identity is built on unity, self-help, and shared growth, reflecting the spirit of cooperation among Barangay Bangcolasi residents. For our mission, to empower our members and community by providing sustainable livelihood opportunities, affordable goods and services. For our vision, to become a leading and trusted multi-purpose cooperative that fosters inclusive growth, unity, and prosperity for every member and the entire Bangcolasi community. Gusto namin imbitahan kayo na maging bahagi ng aming pamilya sa cooperative. Dito may boses ka, may ambag ka, at higit sa lahat may makakatuwang ka sa pag-abot ng iyong mga pangarap. Sama-sama natin palaguin ang Barangay Bangcolasi, isang mas matatag, mas maunlad, at mas makataong komunidad. For my objectives, short-term goals 1 to 2 years. The cooperative aims to offer affordable goods and services, support local livelihood and small businesses, services and community benefits. Services offered, the cooperative promotes environmental sustainability through urban gardening and waste management. Community benefits, the cooperative fosters unity and teamwork among Barangay Bangcolasi residents while promoting economic growth by creating livelihood opportunities. So the Together We Grow, the Bangcolasi Multipurpose Cooperative provides diverse and practical services that meet members' needs, from financial empowerment and livelihood to health, environment, and education. The target members and beneficiaries of Together We Grow, the Bangcolasi Multipurpose Cooperative, are ordinary people of Barangay Bangcolasi residents, workers, and entrepreneurs. The Together We Grow Multipurpose Cooperative improves the quality of life in Barangay Bangcolasi by empowering residents economically, socially, and environmentally. The logo embodies the message that when people join hands and work together with heart, the entire community grows stronger. Barangay Municipality Location ang Barangay Bangcolasi, Navotas City. Date established June 12, 2023. June 12 is celebrated as Philippine Independence Day, representing freedom, unity, and collective progress, values that align beautifully with your cooperative spirit. Together We Grow.